What is good, everybody on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel here at the Dad Life, man. I hope everyone is having a blessed and healthy day today. In today's video, I have a couple pickups I want to show you guys. One from my boy Brandon and one from Champ Sports, so you guys can't miss out on this pickup. First thing is first, if you guys are new here, please consider subscribing to the channel. We are on the road to 4,000 subscribers, and make sure you guys give your boy a thumbs up on this video. It really helps the channel grow. This is from my boy Brandon. Shout out to my boy Brandon. He does have a YouTube and a web store. This is where I actually bought it from. He's been killing it on his web store, on his YouTube. Make sure you guys go check him out. I'll leave all his links down below in the description box. Shout out to Brandon for this one. If you guys don't know, on my head what I'm wearing right now is Kthla brand collab with Richie Lee. He did come out with his second colorway on his website. He actually restocked on the black one, and then he dropped his navy blue one on his web store as well. I did get a W on his navy blue one. Let me know in the comments below if you guys got a W. Literally, this hat sold out in seconds. Kthla brand did drop a bunch of their hats on their website on, I believe it was Friday morning. I believe it was like 1 a.m. in the morning. It was unfortunate because I did miss out. Let me go ahead and unbox this. So I did miss out on their drop, but the next day I ended up copying a couple of their hats that was still available. I believe there was like at least 7 hats still available. I believe I copped 3 of them. I'll definitely leave a picture on the screen. I believe I copped the pirate one, the LA trucker hat, which was an accident because I didn't know it was a trucker hat, and I'm not sure how that trucker hat is actually gonna look on my head, but we'll see what happens. If you guys are watching this video and you just heard about Kthla brand, make sure you guys go check them out on Instagram. I'll leave their link down below in the description box as well. So like I said, this one that I got from my boy Brandon, it is the red one. As you guys can see, it has their logo on the side, and as well as Kthla on the snapback side as well. So it is just a red, all red hat. I'll definitely put it on for you guys right here. This is definitely a clean cap. This is the Richie Lee one that restocked on Saturday, and I can't wait to get the navy blue one. I'm definitely excited for that, and I'll definitely have an unboxing once I get that in the mail. Next thing on the list is the Champ Sports pickup. This one is actually my girlfriend's pair, and I don't think I actually showed you guys this. I think I showed it in a vlog. Air Force One, as you guys can see, this is the low top, but this is pretty much a plain black and white Air Force One, but man, this is a super clean colorway. I really dig the black swoosh and then the air on the midsole right here. It's just a clean Air Force One. I do want to do more customs on Air Force One, so make sure you guys go stay tuned on my channel because I have something huge that I'm actually coming up with for a custom on these Air Force Ones, so make sure you guys stay tuned with that. But this one is the girlfriend, so I'm not gonna do a custom on this. But like I said, man, I think Air Force One is definitely a good sneaker to wear in the summertime. So if you are looking for an affordable sneaker for the summertime, I think Air Force One lows are definitely a go, in my opinion, just because it's affordable. I believe for Air Force Ones they're like $85 to $90, which is not bad. I do have some more unboxings on the way. Like I said, guys, make sure you guys stay tuned. Make sure you guys hit that bell button below to be notified when all my videos do go up. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys smash that like button. It really means a lot to me. As always, guys, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your week. I definitely have crazy moves coming in on the channel. Definitely this backdrop is definitely going to be changing here pretty soon, so make sure you guys go stay tuned on my channel. But like I said, guys, this is pretty much it for the video. This is the Dad Life signing in, signing out. Peace.